Hello friends, welcome back to Learn IT Guide Tutorials. First of all, thanks for watching this video and happy to interact with you again through this video. If you are looking to know about DevOps, then you are at the right place. Topics involved in these sessions are: what is DevOps, DevOps fundamentals, how DevOps will help us, and how DevOps differs from traditional SDLC, that is software development lifecycle, and advantages of DevOps, required skills to learn DevOps, and tools and programs used in DevOps. These are the topics we are going to see in the sessions. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more about something else, please leave your comments and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. So keep watching the video till the end. Links related to this session are mentioned in the descriptions. Refer those links, that would be easier for you to understand this session much better from basics. And you are watching LearnITGuide.net tutorials. We provide you 100% free documents and tutorial videos to build your skills. For more updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites and subscribe our YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com and search for LearnITGuide tutorials. Hit subscribe button to not miss any updates. Click nearby bell icon to get notification immediately. So what is DevOps? We don't have a specific definition for DevOps, but we can say this in this way. DevOps is not a tool. It's not a process. It's not even a methodology. DevOps is a culmination of behaviors, community, culture, and technical talent colliding to improve user experience through tools, technologies, trust, and people. Also, we can say that DevOps is a philosophy of the efficient development, deployment, and operation of highest quality software possible used in entire development lifecycle when creating and operating a service with the help of two different professionals. They are developers and operational team, that is system administrators. So these guys participate together to find the better ways to be more effective for the organization throughout the entire software development lifecycle, from the design phase through the development and the production phase, because our existing principles, process, and practices are not enough to provide the better system infrastructure in an effective manner. In the recent days, we realized that some parts of the operations need to be automated. So operation teams, that is system administrator, will do some automation in the infrastructure, and developers will do some automation in their codes, writing operation codes, or both. So this is part of the value of the overall collaborative approach, considering service improvement and coordination between developers and operations. So DevOps creates the collaboration and coordination between developers and operations. DevOps is a similar model like agile development in the software development lifecycle. So how this is going to be help us? DevOps helps in configuration management, continuous integration, continuous deployment, continuous delivery, and monitoring. Some of the tools are being used to achieve these goals, and I will tell you what are the tools and programs used in DevOps. So in order to understand the DevOps more, we need to know about the traditional SDLC. In a traditional SDLC, what happens, developers write and test the codes. Now the developers get the requirements about the program, how the program should be from the business perspective. So developers may use whatever language they want and comfortable to design, and they program a piece of software. Now the program will be given to the test, that is quality assurance group. Now the quality assurance group will test the program to ensure it is stable and meets the requirement. Now quality assurance testers usually know little about the software deployment. If they identified any issue, the program will be transferred back to the developers to fix the issue, and these steps are repeatable until the issue is fixed. Once all the issues are being fixed, now that will go to the release. Then the released program will be given to the operation team for installing the applications. Generally, the operation group or system administrator is responsible to provide the server with operating system and also responsible to maintain the servers. So this is how the traditional software development lifecycle works. But in the modern software development lifecycle is more complex. A code may be written in a language that can run on a different servers and operating system. So a code should not have any compatibility issue and also code needs to be tested for different platforms. Developers and operation team, that is system administrators, should have a knowledge about the program compatibility. So there has to be a degree of collaboration between these two guys. That collaboration is called DevOps to improve the software development lifecycle, or in the infrastructure area from design phase to till the production phase. Advantages of DevOps. DevOps creates the collaboration and coordination between developers and operations. DevOps between developers and quality assurance testers increase software quality, and also it reduces the testing time. In a traditional scenario, coders don't know how an application is to be tested, and testers have little idea of the features coded into an application. So collaboration here is more valuable than just sharing job knowledge. DevOps between development and operations improves the consistency of application behavior. DevOps is about tools and technologies. DevOps tools can be used to perform collaborative tasks and also can be used for automations. The main goal of DevOps is to improve the quality and efficiency. These are the basic advantages of DevOps. Required skills to learn DevOps. This is also one of the frequently asked questions. What are the skills required to learn DevOps? The answer would be basic knowledge on Linux, virtualization basics, networking basics, infrastructure knowledge. Means you need to know the infrastructure that you are working on. Cloud basics. At least one cloud infrastructure is preferred from a DevOps engineer, mainly AWS, as many inbuilt web services dedicated to DevOps profile, like code commit, code build, code deploy, code pipeline, etc. And collaboration techniques, understanding of modern software engineering and command line interface, and scripting and programming language. Here, at least one scripting language along with shell scripting is necessary for DevOps roles. Here, Python can fit the bill as it is easy to learn and widely adopted in the industry, and can work both for small scripts as well as full-fledged application development. Then DevOps tools. There are various tools available to automate the whole process of application development lifecycle. Different companies prefer different tool stacks. However, one can start with the most widely accepted DevOps tool first, such as Git for source code management, Jenkins for build and test, and Chef, Ansible, Puppet for configuration management, and AWS infrastructure for deployment. Then integration skills. Ultimately, the DevOps engineer should be able to use all his expertise to integrate all the above mentioned skills to create an environment that is fully automated and integrated. The goal should be for zero manual intervention from source code management to deployment state. That is continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment. Then the last is soft skills. At the end of the day, DevOps is a culture of constant collaboration and communication among various teams responsible for application development and delivery. So one needs to be dynamic, team player, problem solver, and quick learner. So these are the DevOps tools and programs widely used. One is Git. Git is a version control system for tracking changes in computer files and coordinating work on those files among multiple people. It is primarily used for source code management in software development, but it can be used to keep track of the changes in any set of files. Then Jenkins. Jenkins is a DevOps tool for monitoring executions of repeated jobs. This extensible automation engines enables DevOps teams to integrate project changes more easily and access outputs for quickly identifying problems. Then Chef. Chef is a DevOps tool for achieving speed, scale, and consistency. Chef turns the infrastructure into code so that users easily and quickly can adapt to changing business needs. Basically, it's a configuration management tool. Ansible. Ansible providing the simplest way to automate IT. Ansible is a DevOps tool for automating your entire application lifecycle. Ansible is designed for collaboration and makes it much easier for DevOps teams to scale automation, manage complex deployments, and speed productivity. Then Puppet. Puppet is one of the most popular DevOps tools on the market because it enables teams to deliver technologies changes quickly and release better software and do it more frequently with confidence. Use Puppet Enterprise to manage infrastructure as a code and get a solid foundation for versioning, automated testing, and continuous delivery. Docker, an integrated technology suite enabling DevOps teams to build, ship, and run distributed applications anywhere. Docker is a tool that allows users to quickly assemble apps from components and work collaboratively. This open platform for distributed application is appropriate for managing containers of an app as a single group and clustering an app's container to optimize resources and provide high availability. Python. Python is a widely used high-level and popular programming language for general purpose. It's a great as a first language because it is concise and easy to read, and it is also a good language to have in any programmer's stack, as it can be used for anything from web development to software development and scientific applications. Still, there are many tools can be used in DevOps to achieve our goals. Going forward, we will see how to use these DevOps tools in the infrastructure and how to integrate each others in the environment to improve the development, deployment, delivery, and configuration management, also the automations. Stay connected with us to not miss any updates, and that's all about the basics of DevOps. How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learneticguide.net.